Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us today at the Confluent FSI Summit. Today, we will be talking about a luring threat, one that stems from the recent advancement in AI voice cloning technology. And yes, we are talking about voice vishing. More specifically, voice vishing with AI. Now, many of your organizations have already deployed voice biometrics solutions claimed to detect vishing attacks. But the question is, do we know how effective these solutions are? And more importantly, can they keep up with the rapid advancement of AI cloning technology? Now, let's just take a look at just how serious the problem is. A group of cyber criminals staged one of the largest AI heists, where they cloned the voice of a company director and convinced one of his direct reportees to send $35 million to multiple offshore accounts. Now, you really have to think about the nature of this kind of attack vector, bypassing a lot of our current human firewalls and playing on the trust factor established between individuals who know each other. Now, to further highlight the full impact of this issue, Warren Buffett himself recently said at the Berkshire annual shareholder meeting that if he was interested in investing in scamming, it would be, or it's going to be, the growth industry of all time. And it's enabled in a way by AI. The sophistication itself of vishing is directly backed by the advancement in AI capabilities, such as 11 Labs, who recently secured an $80 million funding round, and we to continue to see their level of cloning detail in action, capturing even the tiniest details, such as the sound of breathing and the smacking of the lips during the conversation. Now, many of your organizations already have one of these voice biometric solutions in place. Some might even use it to the extent of authenticating your customers. Do you know if your current voice biometric solutions can truly protect your organization and your customers from falling victims to phishing attacks? If not, which solutions should you choose instead? As a matter of fact, Senator Sherrod Brown, who is the chairperson of the US Senate Banking Committee, had exactly the same question as we do. He sent out a letter to some of the major banks in the United States to seek answers to how frequently the bank's voice biometric tools are assessed and reviewed in order to ensure that they continue to provide a high level of security and privacy in the face of technological advances and emerging threats. That's why at GoodLabs Studio, we collaborated with Confluent to develop a vishing penetration test system to help financial institutions understand better their voice biometric system capabilities. GoodLabs is a business-first AI engineering studio. My name is Hussein Jabber, and I'm the Director of Fraud and Financial Crimes at GoodLabs Studio, working alongside some of our heavyweight advisors, including Matt O'Neill, who's a former US Secret Service deputy in charge of cybercrime, who is here with us today, and also working closely with Hugh No, a reformed fraudster who is responsible for one of the largest identity theft in the US history, with deep dark web expertise, and now working for government entities around the world to fight fraud. We also have a team of PhD and postdoc AI researchers and our software engineers to work closely with our partners, including Confluent, BioCatch, and Neo4j, to develop fraud prevention solutions for our financial institution customers. We primarily look to help financial institutions build large-scale fraud protection platforms using technologies like Confluent and Flink that can handle 8 terabytes of daily real-time and batch threat intelligence and customer activity data. We also provide dark web intelligence information and fraud AI frameworks. Currently, we focus on two of the most pressing issues. The first one is check fraud detection, and the second one is voice phishing attack because of the scary advancement of voice cloning AI. Now I'm going to pass it to Thomas, our co-founder at GoodLabs, to talk about the technical detail of our Vishing penetration test system.
Thanks, Hussein. Back in 2016, Confluent already had the vision to become the central nervous system for organization. It is even more relevant with today's focus on AI, particularly on the use cases that require streaming AI. One such use case is on phishing attack. That's why we use Confluent as the central nervous system to stitch the AI model deployed in Flink to build our phishing penetration testing system. By integrating with the popular call center systems such as Genesis and your preferred voice biometric system, we use a group of 50 diversified voice actors along with the AI clone voice to test your voice biometric system based on ASV spoof parameters to evaluate how good your voice biometric system can handle phishing attacks. In order to automate the testing as much as possible, we also built a streaming AI dialogue engine using Flink to integrate with a large language model and voice generation AI capable of carrying out an entire conversation with the voice actors autonomously. As you know, both large language model AI and voice generation AI have lags to make conversation non-natural. That's why we use Confluent and Flink. It's perfect to turn batch AI into streaming AI to reduce the lag. We not only use this system for financial crime, but also in use cases such as medical and customer service. Let's see it in action. Step one of the process is to get the voice actors of various age groups, ethnicities, and genders to call into the system so that the voice biometric system can capture the voice print. We have a reference voice biometrics AI system in the demo integrated with the Flink to perform voice print training and inferencing. We will replace our reference AI with your choice of voice biometric system, but for the demo, we'll use ours. Let's watch the demo.
Hi there, this is Kevin from Wolf Wall Street Private Banking and Wealth Management. Please note that we will record your voice print. How can I help you today?
Hey Kevin, it's Adam Smith calling. You emailed me yesterday about the private banking service you're offering. I'm very interested and want to know what the next steps are.
Hi Adam, great to hear from you and thank you for getting back to me. I'm glad you're interested in our private banking services. Can I get your full name to kick off your application?
Sure thing, my full name is Adam Smith.
Great, thanks. Can I also get your address, Adam?
Yeah, and my address is 343 Duluth, Minnesota, and my zip code is 55802.
Thanks, Adam. I will email you the document to sign. Thank you for choosing Wolf Wall Street again.
Then the second step, after the voice print is trained and captured, is to get the voice actors to call in again to validate how well the voice biometric system can confidently identify the real voice calling. Let's watch the demo now.
Hi there, this is Kevin from Wolf Wall Street Private Banking and Wealth Management. Please note that we will record your voice print. How can I help you today?
Hey Kevin, I'm interested in a technology company for my portfolio. I'm interested in ticker symbol CFLT. Can you give me the total revenue growth from Q1 of 2024?
I'd be happy to assist you with that. Please hold on a moment while I look up the latest financial information. Ticker CFLT started fiscal year 2024 strong, highlighted by 45% year-over-year revenue growth for Confluent Cloud.
Interesting. I'm actually with the Confluent folks right now. I have to say, great people and a great company. Let me talk to them a little bit more and I will call you back.
Then the last step is to use the AI clone voice of the voice actors to call into the system and evaluate how well the biometric system can identify the AI clone voice. Our reference voice biometric AI can only show the AI clone voice by a few percentage points of difference in the confidence score. Let's watch the demo now.
Hi there, this is Kevin from Wolf Wall Street Private Banking and Wealth Management. Please note that we will record your voice print. How can I help you today?
Hi, Kevin. I am traveling right now, and I just sent you an email to transfer $300,000 to another account to my investment. It's a bit urgent. I want to confirm the transfer. Could you perform the transfer as soon as possible for me? Thanks.
Thank you for reaching out. For security reasons, I won't be able to process any transactions without additional validation. Could you please provide some additional details or verification on the account you want to transfer the money to?
In the demo, we showcase how we utilize Confluent and Flink to build a streaming AI platform to perform phishing penetration tests for your voice biometric system. We would love to talk to you and see how we can protect your organization and your customers with our financial crime engineering service and AI solution. Thank you.